Hello friends and welcome back. So guys, today's session we're going to learn if you are looking for Softwareag.cloud pre-tenant account for webmethod.io API gateway. Okay, so how you can log in for that particular website. So first login official website softwareag.cloud. Okay, so open your browser, open like enter this URL softwareag.cloud. Okay, once you're done with that, then you will be entering this particular home page. Okay, and that home page we have a different products like Alphabet, Fastlane, Aris, Cumulocity IoT, Stream Sets, webmethod.agile apps, and this one webmethods.io API. So click on that particular option. Here we have two options. If you have a login credential, then go with this login option. If you don't have a login credential, if you are new in webmethod.io API, then click on this try for a free option. Okay, so you will be directed to redirect to different web page. So this is a web page. Here we need to enter your details, personal details like first name, last name, company, phone number, work email, and create password. So in this scenario, if you don't have a company name, your work email address, that case you can mention your any company name here. Different company name you can mention. Your previous company name you can also mention. And work email. This if you don't have a work email address, your company mail address, in that case you can mention your like Gmail ID, like registered Gmail ID you can mention. After that, user defined password you can mention here. And here we have a three checkboxes. So click on that checkboxes and click on sign up. Okay. So once you're done with that, then guys, you will be receive one environment name on your registered mail ID. That particular environment name you required, like this environment name required to log in this particular website. So again, open the browser, type this URL softwareage.cloud, click on that. Now, so I already received this environment name, so click on that login option. Now, here as I said, I have this environment name, then click on next. It will validate your details and you will like I already log in 5 minutes before. I already log in, that's why I'm directly redirecting to this like home page. But in your case, if you are trying to accessing this website at the first time, then after the environment name you will get one like username and password credential page. Once you hit your details, then you will be redirected to this home page. Okay, now we have this webmethods.io API gateway. Click on that start free trial. Okay. Here we have some terms and conditions. So once it validate, then scroll down. Okay. Scroll down till bottom and click on start free forever. So it will take some time. Once you're done with that now, so see here, please wait, we are setting up your subscription. So once you done with that, then you will be able to access your free webmethod.io API gateway tenant. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. I hope you like and enjoy this session. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.